In this week's Branding Tips Tuesday, we are going to talk about the elusive elevator pitch, one of the least discussed components of a strong sales and marketing strategy. If you own a business or sell things, you know what an elevator pitch is. So why are they so difficult to create? And why is it so hard to talk about what you do in a minute or less? So today we're going to take just a few minutes to break down exactly how to craft an elevator pitch that's attention grabbing, that's unique, and that actually explains what you do. So in the digital world we live in, there's different types of elevator pitches. They're very similar though. There's the elevator pitch you would give to someone when you're actually meeting them, say at a networking event, being introduced to someone for the first time. Then there's the elevator pitch that essentially lives on social media. So this could be your LinkedIn profile description. This could be your description on your Instagram page, and so on. Regardless of where you're using them, elevator pitches do not have to be so hard. So here's how we break it down into three main components: A, B, and C. So A, this is what I do. B, this is who I help. And C, this is what I'm looking for. These three pieces set you up to explain and introduce you to someone, but also that really key component of why am I even talking to you in the first place? What do I want out of this engagement? And that's one of the most critical pieces that's often left out of creating an elevator pitch. So in my case, my elevator pitch would be, I'm a strategic designer, illustrator, and marketer. I help purpose-driven companies with logos, naming, websites, and more. I am drawn to your business and how you are helping people. So in certain situations, you want to be more specific with your elevator pitch, depending on who you're talking to, where the elevator pitch is living. It makes sense for it to be more niche and more specific. So in this case, we would say something like, I'm a brand and design strategist and creative director. I help purpose-driven tech companies communicate complex solutions to their audience. I have over 15 years of fintech experience and would love to talk further about your needs. Obviously, this would not make sense in a generic situation. The one that I just mentioned before would make more sense because it's not as specific and it's not as confusing. The last thing you want to do is confuse someone. So again, three main pieces. This is what I do. This is who I help. And this is what I'm looking for. Hope this was helpful to you. Reach out if you have any questions. That's all for today.